Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just got finished looking at Dodge Caliper. A lot of his symptoms was the vehicle was overheating prior to us ever coming here. Lots of misfires. He shot a lot of parts at it, put in a lot of money that wasn't even the issue. He was going by friends and YouTube and all that stuff. The car finally died on him. We came and did a diagnostic. The video will at least show what we saw. He blew a head gasket, which the cost will exceed the value of his Dodge Caliper. We are here to tell you the plain truth. We're not here to blow smoke up your butt. We want you to know the truth, and if it exceeds the value of the vehicle, we will let you definitely know. We also gave him an alternative, since it's going to exceed the cost of the vehicle for him just getting a whole new engine, because he just trashed the engine because he was driving it overheating a lot and letting it misfire a lot. We told him he could just take the vehicle instead of going to the junkyard with it and get $200-300, just sell it as a mechanic special and at least get $9 to $1,000 for it. So we always give alternatives, not just bad news. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos going. Making videos do cost money, so if you wish to donate so we can keep this information to save you a lot of time and money, our Cash App is $the Mobile Mechanic 757. Thank you.